Hey, good afternoon. It's Monday, August 25th, 2025, and today I'm going to show you what happens when you do a covered call. You sell a covered call, uh, which is the first time I've done it. So I kind of explain the process to you and what it means to you. Uh, for those who are not familiar with my channel, this is Disabled Investor. I'm Patrick. I have low vision, and I'm on a mission to grow my registered disability savings plan to $1 million. I share my journey and steps along the way, market moves, that sort of thing, to help other people learn from my mistakes so you can hopefully avoid them. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm just a random dude on the internet. So, do your own research, but maybe by observing my mistakes, you can avoid them. As I said, today was a first for me. I sold my first two covered calls, which are basically I have enough shares to sell an option contract for them, a call option contract, and it's essentially almost like a way of renting out your shares. So for about $100, I rented out. I sold two contracts for D-Wave Quantum at for a strike price of $22, which I'm not really expecting to happen, but it's possible. It's possible it could happen, and I got about $48 per contract. It cost me $6.25 to write the contract, and so I pocketed over $100 Canadian at the end of the day for renting out those shares until expiring in October 17th. So I don't expect the price of the shares to go up to that, but if they do, I've promised to sell them for a price of $22. So I would make $2,200 on that if it went there, but I'm really not expecting it to, and the probability is low based on the delta, one of the metrics for the contract that I looked up. So that's what I did today. A little different. As a result, my portfolio ended the day up about $500 to close at $135,000, almost even. So not bad. Definitely better than losing money. And the other thing that I did today was one order. I bought 100 more shares of Quantum Emotion at a cost of $1.04 per share, or $1.05 per share. Sorry, which is pretty good, I think. Earnings for that company is coming up in a couple of days, so if it's a positive report, I'm betting it's going to be positive. That should be positive news for the shares, and that's what I did today. Almost bought a $10,000 worth of bond ETF, but it didn't come to the price that I was willing to pay, so it didn't happen. And yeah, as I said, I sold that pair of option contracts for D-Wave Quantum. I have 400 shares. I sold contracts to cover 200 shares of them. So I'm making $100 rent on those shares for the next 6 weeks or so. 8 weeks, thereabouts. Seemed like a good idea at the time. We'll see if it was a mistake if I'm forced to sell those shares at that price. I'll probably buy the contracts back at that point rather than sell, because I think D-Wave is one of those ones that I want to hold on for a long time. But anyways, that's what happened to me today. Tell me, have you ever sold a covered call contract? I'm curious to hear if you've ever done it and what the option was that you sold, what the underlying security was. Curious. Please let me know. Thanks for watching.